I'm going to show you how to hang a pole barn header by yourself. You'll need a rope, some blocks of wood, and some muscle. So let's try it and see if I can't do it. Is on top of one pole we're going to put a couple nails in to keep the rope from sliding off the top of the pole. Okay, I got my rope over the top of my pole. I have a 16-foot 2x12 header here. So what I'm going to do is take one end of that header and stick it through this loop. I'm going to tie this end of the rope off up about as high as I can without getting too great of an angle. And then I'll take the ladder down to the other end, 16 foot down, and down there I have a block of wood nailed to the pole and another block of wood nailed to that, so I can makes a little saddle. I can rest the end of the header in it. Take a nail from the bottom of the header in about maybe 6-8 inches so I'm not interfering with my pole. Nail that in so my rope won't slip off. I'll just tie the rope off like so. Okay, I got that end in the saddle. This end's hanging on the rope. I'll just lift her up. Well, you can see that wasn't too bad, actually. Sitting in that saddle on that side, I just gotta lift it up just a smidge, nail it in. After I get it nailed in place, I'm gonna come back through with the pole barn screws and screw it right to the pole. Okay, so you can see I got the header up. Those 16 footers and that 8 footer I put up by myself. I just used a rope on one end to hold it up most of the way, and then I built a little saddle out of some 2x to sit the other end in, and it actually worked out pretty good. So one person can put up 16-foot pole barn headers fairly easily. So anyways, I hope this helps if you're working on a barn by yourself and just need a few ideas on how to do something by yourself without any extra hands. Then hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching my video, and hope you subscribe and keep watching. I got a lot more pole barn videos coming up and other random things, so thanks. That's a little bit funny.